Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Canada Chronicles. Today I'm going to show you how's the 20 to 40 centimeter snow warning looks like. See, it's already snowing like a storm. Today is the snowstorm warning and I'm live reporting from Scarborough. You can see the level of snow. See, I'm standing on my stairs and since yesterday night it was snowing heavily. You can see it's almost touching my knees. So we are facing a snowstorm today. Very much so heavy snow. I'm going to clean my front yard and parking. See, can you identify this object? Yes, you are right. It is my car. You can see how it is stuck. This is my entrance of the house. You can see my legs. The snow is almost touching my knees. See. Now I'm going to take the shovel. You can see the height of the snow just by noticing the snow on the dustbins, around dustbins. Now I'm trying to open my garage. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope the door is opening. People are shoveling the snow. My neighbor tried to shovel the car, the snow around the car, but it was extreme weather, so it's no use to clean your car now. Today whole day is going to be a extreme weather. I am opening my garage door. I kept my car in the garage. This is my dad's car. You can see the height of the snow. See. So take care in this extreme weather. See. Don't go outside. Wear proper winter boots, snow jacket, wear proper insulation. Don't drive, it's not safe until it's emergency. If you have to drive, driving slowly with pumping brake, like don't press brake too hard. Try to use the brake short time, multiple time. And yeah, this is the salt. I'm going to put the salt so it tries to melt the snow, but it's enormous. You can see it's almost like going into Mount Everest and clearing the snow over there. extreme weather today. Take care, guys. Keep subscribing and have a happy winter. I am signing off. Before that, let me show you the snow shovel. I'll grab the snow shovel. Yeah. This is the snow shovel I'm gonna use to clean, take off the snow. So all you need is a snow shovel, a salt, and a black ice removal. This is nice tool for the black ice, the ice which is deposited under this snow. It's not useful for now. For now we'll use the manual shovel only, because even automatic machines are not working in this condition. So try to use manual shovel. It's a bit tidy work, may feel exhausted, so try to have a good protein diet before doing the snow shoveling. And I suggest one other thing: try to see the weather warning. If it's having a weather of snow, then apply some salt before day, so it will help to clear the snow quickly. Okay, now the game began. It's still snowing like a storm. Today whole day it's a snow storm warning. Try to take support from the shovel. Don't forget to use a good snow boot with snow jacket. See the condition, guys. This is the backlight of my desk. You can see the layer of snow. You can see all the cars are covered in the snow. Beautiful weather for making a snowman. Yes, in Canada you must, I can say this thrice, try to love this weather. Yeah, because like you cannot ignore the snow and Canadian winter, so just accept it and enjoy the weather. Until then, take care. And guys, catch you later after the snow shoveling. Don't go out in the winter. Stay home, stay safe. Keep subscribing to my channel, and bye bye.